Different, huh? Yeah. Hey, what? Bless you. Let's see. Is anyone in here owe me anything that I? Sophia, you have this unit test you gotta make with me, okay? Yeah, buddy. Do I, what? Sonia.
Can you call Sawyer?
All right. Let's see. What page was it? 152. Oh, cool. What kind of questions did you come across? Yeah. 10, you got it. Okay, so we have a quiz on Monday, so we're making sure we got this stuff down, okay? It's just a front-back quiz. And you will see definitely this kind of stuff on there. So let's make sure we feel comfortable with this. Okay. That's the one, right? So I'm going to multiply the 6 and 7 together to get 42. So we know we have to eventually get to 4.2. Is that okay? And then I'm going to add the exponents. So I get 10 to the 16th power. So think about this. Right now, it's positive 16. So that would mean if I wanted to make this a big old number, I'd move the decimal right and add zeros, right? So if I move the decimal 1 to the left, what is this going to be? Is it going to be 15 or is it going to be 17? So the decimal's right here, right now. Let's think about this. If I have to move this and give me 16 zeros,
7.
it has to be 17, yeah.
Oh, okay. I did that.
What else would you like to see?
Wait, what do you mean by it has to be 17 zeros instead of 16?
Okay, so let me write. I'll write this out for you. So this right now is 42. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then that's where the decimal goes. Does that make sense?
Right.
So far? So if I want to have it a 4.2, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Okay.
Does that make sense? And that's a legitimate way. If you need to do it that way, please do. Cool. What else would you like to see? Yeah.
20.
20?
2.
2?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so let's go ahead and move the exponents that are negative down. Okay. And of course, we could have the x first if we wanted to. Does that make sense so far? So then we're going to multiply 5 and 7 together. It won't reduce with any numbers, so I get 35. Tug of war at the x's. Who wins, top or bottom?
Top.
Top by
2.
Tug of war with the y's. Who wins, top or bottom?
Top.
By how many?
5.
5. Done.
Wait, sorry. How did you? Okay, wait, but isn't 2 smaller than 4?
So tug of war. Who wins, top or bottom?
4, and then you do half 4.
You just subtract them here.
Oh, yeah, okay.
What else would you like to see? Yeah. 2, 6. First thing I'm going to take care of is the power to a power. So the exponents on top of each other. So those multiply. Those multiply. Is that okay so far? This has a negative exponent, so it's going to move down. Is that okay? Tug of war, who wins?
Top.
Top by how many?
3.
3. Cool. I could put it over 1 if you wanted to, but it's not necessary. What else would you like to see? Yeah.
25.
25? So I have a grouping y over x, and that's raised to the 6th power. So let's bring this in here and here. Okay, tug of war. Who wins, top or bottom for x's? Bottom by 1, so that's just x. Tug of war with y's. Who wins, top or bottom? Top by 1. Done. And yes, you could have it y to the first and x to the first if you wanted to. Yeah. No?
Shouldn't the y on the first one be 4?
It should. Thank you. So if that's a 4, then tug of war, that should have been a squared. Thanks. Made a misprint. What else? Yo, buddy.
28.
28. Okay, let's take care of what's inside of the parentheses first. Okay, so I can reduce this and I can reduce this. I think 3 goes into both of them. Is that okay so far? And then this wants to move up, so how many x's are up on top now? 10, good. Distribute that here, here, and here. So I get 8 to the 3rd, and I'd leave it as 8 to the 3rd. I mean, it comes out to 512, but don't worry about that. And then x to the 30th, and 5 to the 3rd. Yes, you could make that 125, but you don't have to. What else would you like to see? Go ahead, Sophie.
24.
2, 4. So the difference between this one and the last one, I can't reduce this one inside. So then I'm just going to take care of this coming here, and here, and here, and here. So I get 2 to the 3rd, x to the 3rd, 3 to the 3rd, y to the 6th. I can then, I think I can do 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. And I think I can do 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. And that's reduced. Anything else? Good? Happy? Satisfied? Pass them on up. Make sure your name's on them, please. If you're handing anything else, then please hand that forward. And what I want to give you the opportunity to work on, and if you have questions, please ask me. You have page 155 and 156. What I would do, being that you're here in class, is find the ones that you're not quite sure about and come ask me. Okay? The ones that you're sure about, I wouldn't stress getting those in class. That way I'm here to answer your questions. Cool?